Matrix, it's my best gimmick card. It is the best gimmick card in the world because it's a mechanical gimmick. It's amazing gimmick. This is a classical card, okay, a bicycle card. And now I propose the same gimmick, but with a jumbo card. Imagine it's more visual because you perform for many people on stage. This is my classical matrix, and now this is the same for the stage. And now watch the game, it's fantastic. One jumbo card and one puncher. Watch. The first hole here. Here. The hole number 2. Here. The number 3. And the number 4. Here. 4 hole is not illusion. Watch. One by one. Slow motion. You take the first and move here. It's totally crazy. Take number 2 and move here. The last, say, take slow motion, take this here and move here. You remember at the beginning, say 1, 2, 3, 4, or like that. It's crazy. One more time. More visual, say, I take the first here. Perfect. The number 2, this here. And the last, say, yes. You remember at the beginning, say 1, 2, 3, 4, all like that at the corner. If you prefer, say move at the same corner. Watch. I take the first, yes, in my hand. I take the number 2 in my hand, the number 3 in my hand, and the number 4 in my hand. At the same corner here. If you prefer, say 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. If you want. Now, watch. Ready, visual, see. Move here, and move here. Or if you prefer, say here. And at the end, I prefer the card without hole here. It is the same. This is my matrix. This is a classic version, and this is a jumbo card for a stage. It's amazing. It is the same gimmick, but with a jumbo card. More visual.